getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bri. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about my hair. So I'm going to talk about the products that I use, the hair color that I use, and a little bit of history on my hair. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see what products I use, just keep watching. Okay guys, so for my hair color, this hair color that I have in right now is Arctic Fox Electric Paradise, which actually I just finished the rest of that, so I don't have that bottle. And then I also mixed in the Arctic Fox Sunset Orange. I mixed in a lot of orange this time. As you can see, my hair is a lot more orange. I actually really love how it turned out. I think it's very pretty. I really loved the Electric Paradise color. It was gorgeous. It was so vibrant. It was exactly what I wanted for summer, but that color faded so bad. Like, I feel like I only washed my hair 4 times and I could see blonde in my hair, and that's like way too quick, because I wash my hair 2 times. I try to do 2 times a week or less. With vibrant hair colors like this, with fun like fashion colors, you have to be really mindful of how many times you wash your hair, because your hair does fade every single time you wash your hair. I do wash my hair in cooler water. I try to go as cold as I can stand it, and that helps with the bleeding and the fading, but no matter what, your hair is going to lose some color every single time you wash your hair. When I wash my hair, I use the Paul Mitchell Color Care. I have the shampoo, and then I also have the conditioner. I buy a big bottle of the shampoo because I like to shampoo my hair twice every time I wash it, and then I have a smaller bottle of the conditioner. And when I use the conditioner, I basically just put it about halfway and focus it mainly on my ends. And I really like this, but I don't know if I've noticed a big difference for how expensive it is. This isn't like super expensive, but it's definitely a higher end shampoo, and I don't know if I've noticed that big of a difference with it helping my hair fade less. So I'm still kind of like, I've used this whole bottle, it's like gone, but I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it. But that's what I have been using for the past couple of months to wash my hair. Another thing that I really love to use on my hair is this Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. I got this at TJ Maxx for I think $15, and I really love this mask. I try to do a deep conditioning hair mask once a week or once every other week, and when I do the mask, I focus it on my ends, and I try not to go up to my roots because my hair does get oily. Not super oily, I don't know. I'm kind of all over the place right now with my skin and everything, but I mainly focus it, I go about right here and really soak the ends of my hair and then pull it up for a couple hours and leave it in. Sometimes I'll leave it in throughout the night and wash it out the next day. It makes my hair feel so nice after I wash it out. I really like that mask. I really love how this mask makes my hair feel. I've also done, I think I've gotten 2 hair masks in my BoxyCharm, and I've used all of those and I like those. I think the Briogeo, I think that's what it's called. I really liked that Don't Despair Repair hair mask as well, but it didn't make my hair feel super soft like this Macadamia one does. So when I get out of the shower, it's like all weird, but when I get out of the shower after washing my hair, I use a tiny bit of this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I will take a dime size amount and I rub it between my hands, and I just focus it on the ends of my hair like this. And I did use it today, and I feel like I just see the biggest difference in my hair when I use a leave-in conditioner like that. It is a little heavy, so that's why I just use the tiniest amount and I just focus it on the ends of my hair where I need more moisture. But I really like that, and it's very inexpensive from the drugstore, and I love it. Another thing from Garnier is this Flat Iron Perfector. It's a straightening mist, and once my hair is all dry while I'm straightening it, I will spray this into my hair, and it helps keep my hair straight and stay straight. My hair likes to go a little wonky on its own, like it'll flip out or it'll flip under, and this helps keep my hair really straight, and it also helps with like all those baby flyaways. and I feel like my hair just looks really straight and nice when I use this. And this is another really inexpensive product from the drugstore. Another hair mask that I really like from the drugstore is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. I don't have it. I used it all and then I bought this one. That's another really great hair mask from the drugstore, and I think it's like $6 for a bottle, and I think that it makes my hair feel so nice. So my hair, I did ruin it by bleaching it. It was like falling out and gummy, and I did that about what, 3.5-4 years ago, and I had to chop my hair off to like right here, and that was awful. So I always try to be really careful and mindful when I bleach my hair. I don't use bleach very often. The only time I would is when my hair would grow out a lot and I needed to move the color back up. And then when I took out the blue, I used bleach twice in my hair, but my hair still feels and looks really healthy. It does need a trim. I haven't had a trim in a long time, but I try to be really careful. I use the quick blue that I bought at Sally's. It's just like a quick blue powder bleach. And then I use 20 volume developer, and I really only try to bleach my hair, and I'll just bleach like the tops right here when I need to bring the color up in my hair, and I try not to bring the bleach all the way down because down here is already light enough for my fashion colors. So bleach is scary. It is very scary. I am not a professional. I'm not a hair stylist or anything like that. I just take it into my own hands, and I risk ruining my hair when I do it myself, but I'm a lot more careful now. So the colors that I got this time, I don't know, because that Electric Paradise that I had was the UV, it was like a UV color, and it would like glow under UV light, which is super cool, and I really loved that color. I was so sad that it faded so much. So this time I got the Arctic Fox Virgin Pink, and I bought the Sunset Orange again, and I'm gonna see how these ones work. So the next time when my hair is super faded, I'm gonna be trying these two colors out, and I'm really excited to try that pink, and I'm hoping that it does not fade as much as the Electric Paradise faded. I loved that color so much. It was so pretty, but it just did not stick in my hair, so that really was sad. Or I would still be doing that color in my hair, but I would have had to touch up my color every like 3 weeks, which to me that is too much. I don't want to have to touch up my hair. I think with my Aquamarine I would go 4 to 6 weeks before reapplying more color, and I really liked it. And also with the Aquamarine, I love the way it faded. I loved when it was freshly dyed, and then I also loved a couple weeks after, and it was like a lighter blue, and it was so pretty, and I really liked that. So I'm hoping that this one fades a little bit more. Now that I washed it, I recolored it last week sometime, and I just washed it for the first time this morning, and I like the way that it faded now. It's not as orange and in your face, so I like this, but I do feel like it faded quite a bit from the first wash, so we will see. But this was still with the Electric Paradise in it and not the Virgin Pink. So if you guys want to see me use these colors, I can totally film that. I can film putting these colors in my hair next time. I haven't done like a hair color thing in a really long time. If you guys want to see that, I definitely can film it when I do use those colors, so make sure to let me know. That was pretty much it. I felt like this wasn't a super long video, but I didn't have a ton of stuff to talk about. I don't put a ton of products in my hair. I do use dry shampoo sometimes, but if I can avoid putting products in my hair, I will, except for I really love these products. I feel like the leave-in conditioner just makes my hair feel so much nicer, and the flat iron Perfector really helps keep my hair straight. Like, I can sleep on it and then just brush it out tomorrow and it'll still be straight. And even if I like pull it into a ponytail and then pull it out, there won't be like a kink in it or anything. And that's when I use this. So I really like those. I love that they're from the drugstore, and I love that they work super awesome. So I just love it. I love when I find good drugstore, affordable, awesome products that work. Let me know down below if you use any of these products. What are some of your favorite hair care products from the drugstore? What are your favorite hair care products in general? And also, what fun colors have you put in your hair? I love it. I stuck with that Aquamarine and just used that color for the longest time. So I really like kind of changing it a little bit. That's the nice thing about these Arctic Fox colors is you can mix and match them and, you know, mix them and come up with your own custom shade. And like this time it's a little more orange. Last time it was a lot more pink. I feel like it doesn't hurt my hair too much. That's another thing I really like about these dyes. They smell like grape. They smell so nice and they don't feel super harsh on my hair, which I really appreciate in a hair color. So I really love these. Let me know if you guys have tried Arctic Fox. Let me know what colors you guys used. I have liked pretty much every single color. Besides how much the Electric Paradise faded. I wish that it didn't because I would have just kept that color. But we will see next time how these ones work. I'm very excited about it. I did film this makeup look. It's super quick. I was just testing out my June BoxyCharm items. So if you want to see that, I will link it down below and you guys can go check that out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.